Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and in this video we are going to talk about why the fun theory is extremely important in food design. So let's say that you have a food startup or a food company that specializes in healthy products or on products for environmental sustainability or social sustainability. You want customers to shift to your product. So you want people to change their habit from another product that they already know to your product. Well, when you want to shift a habit, when you want people to change their habit, then one thing that you can do is to make the new habit fun. I'm going to show you a couple of examples from Volkswagen, actually. So not a food company, but it doesn't matter. So here it was in a train station, I guess, and they created a plain piano stairs. 60% of people chose the stairs. 60% more people chose the stairs instead of the elevator because the stairs suddenly became fun. Another example from Volkswagen as well is the world's deepest bin. So they created this bin basically with a sensor inside, and when people would put something inside, there is this audio recording that makes a sound like woo, boom, so very, very long, as if the bin was very, very deep. So it made it fun, it created attraction and interest around it. So 72 kilos of rubbish were put into this bin versus the 41 kilos of the neighboring bin. And another example, still from Volkswagen, just to remain the same theme, is the fast lane slide that they created again in a train station or a tube station for people who are in the fast lane. Of course, speed, I guess, is combined well with the Volkswagen brand. Regardless, they have created a situation where they have created fun for people. So when you want to change somebody's habit, it's important for you to leverage on three things: fun, surprise, and the crowd. As we have seen, making it fun is very important to make the new option more attractive. But then also, number two, make it a surprise. People like surprises as long as, of course, they are pleasant and fun. Why would you like to scare your customers? Research on the brain shows that surprises capture human interest and attention. There is also research that shows that things that are unpredictable elicit activity in the parts of the brain that anticipate rewards. So if you surprise people, you will therefore get their attention and prime them to think that what comes next might be pleasurable. And finally, as we have seen with Volkswagen, make it a crowd. Number three, use a crowd, because there is research in this area that shows that people are influenced by the behavior of others. When they see lots of people doing something, they will tend to join in. So to conclude this video, I want to show you an example from a food company that used the fun theory in an event, an activity, a situation that improved the connection with their brand. And this was Milka, the chocolate brand. So they have put this vending machine and a cow on the other side, and the vending machine is activated by a current of energy, which must go from the cow to the vending machine. So people have to figure out that they have to use their body and connecting to each other to activate the vending machine. In this sense, we have surprise because people were not expecting to find this in a square. We have fun because people have to figure it out and they have to work together. And there is the use of a crowd. When I see other people doing it, I will be more prone to do it myself. We're all having fun together, and all of a sudden, Milka is a hero and a genius. And I agree. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment below. If you've seen something like that as a customer, if you have experienced the fun theory in a food service or related to a food product. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and happy food design.